easy to store, fun to use, improving your health, and maintaining a very affordable price. This is a treadmill made by one of your favorite smartwatch brands. Makes me think it could be a great fit. Let's inspect. Hey, welcome to the channel, my name is Michael, and well, I've reviewed quite many devices made by Mobvoi, which is a brand that you may recognize by the TicWatch smartwatch series. Now, not sure what exactly they do, maybe trying to close the loop and besides tracking your health, being able to give you something to practice with while you count calories and measure HR, but this here is a treadmill. Making fun of this fact or not, it's quite an achievement that Mobvoi's home treadmill has quickly become one of the top choices for such a device on the UK Amazon. There are plenty of good alternatives though. Since the price here is £399, so around $450 I won't be too demanding because it's obviously meant to be rather entry level, but turns out to do the job pretty well. Now, I should confess that using a treadmill at home is something that we've considered in the past few months together with my wife a few times because of the pandemic situation, and maybe in some days walking outside when it's rainy is just no fun. Quite a nice coincidence was seeing Mobvoi asking me to review this unit. So the biggest challenge I've had with it, the transportation. The whole pack weighs close to 40 kilos. It's quite a big one and not easy to carry from one single person. Unimpressive unboxing, it's not a smart gadget, so forget about boutique packages. There are not too many parts to take out anyways. Instructions, however, are in a bad shape. Luckily, there's nothing complicated about the setup, you should have it ready to roll in just a few minutes' time. Components are of okay quality for the price range. The specs in a nutshell: easy movement wheels, foldable design, 5-layer running belt with 40 by 100 cm walking area, 34 kilos weight, inbuilt Bluetooth speaker, remote, touchscreen setup, 2 modes of operation for the 2 and 25 horsepower motor, and I think that pretty much sums it up. So, to the operation part. Power on from this button, and there are 2 modes as we mentioned: walking mode, where the top speed is 4 km per hour, and the height of the treadmill is only 4.4 inches. It's so compact. You can use the remote control to adjust the speed. Since the riser bar is kept down, this really is your only way to control it. Obviously, this is the much better choice for storing. If you want to practice running, there are some safety precautions involved. So you open up the latch on the riser and lift it up. Optionally, you mount the sidebars. I think they're quite a nice add-on and are easier to access, but are unfortunately not quick releasable. Now, you have access to the buttons for changing the speed and the on and off buttons. The remote still works if you prefer to use it, and also we have here the safety cord that has to be attached to you. Without it, no way to start the exercise. The safety cord is going to immediately stop the treadmill if you lose balance and fall down. Maximum speed in this mode is about 12 km per hour, which is not very fast, but I believe given the scale of the device, it's just about right. While you're running, for entertainment, you could keep your phone attached. There's a smartphone holder that you can mount, it's part of the accessories. Only landscape mode though. Makes good sense because you can connect it to the Bluetooth speaker inside the treadmill. If you have a chest mount HR tracker, might be a cool way to monitor your pulse in real time while listening to music. In terms of power consumption, if someone cares, it's around 100 to 120 watts for walking and close to 200 for running at max speed for a close to 90 kilo person. Now, the few drawbacks I can point to. There's sadly no smartphone app. I wish there was a way to track the total mileage and the speed grades, but not here. I hope for a nicer phone holder, or even better, a tablet holder, and a bit longer power cord, but that really is everything I can complain about. Also, it's fair to mention that if you're a very tall person, running is gonna feel a bit uncomfortable because of the scale of the device. In the end, given the compact size, the great features and the well-working motor, this treadmill is a no-brainer at the price of $450. Apparently having it at home for just a few weeks won't let me tell you how it feels after a year, but since I plan to keep it, feel free to check in and ask in the comments once you watch this video, no matter when it is. Thank you so much for being with me today, take good care, stay fit, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye!